You have call or fax in orders that you'd rather key in on the back office rather than take up a register? Now you can on today's Fast Tracks Fax. So if you have call in or fax in orders where an organization or even an individual is requesting to pick up some products and want you to have them ready, you can actually start that process directly in Control Center. Let's take a look how. From Control Center, we'll navigate to Products, Remote Cell. From here, we can create a new one. We'll specify the location and give it a description. Upon creation, we can choose the products the customer wishes to purchase. We can find them by description, UPC, vendor part, pretty much all the search criteria. Once all the items have been added to the cell, we simply save it, and it's going to show as a suspended cell at the store. From there, the cell can be tendered out just like any other cell. In addition to doing this from Control Center, you can also do it from the handheld. That's this edition of Fast Tracks Fax.